Hello guys, now we are going to talk about terrain. As you see, this is the terrain, the place or the land that you will place your building or your house or your landscape in, and terrain is referred to the topography of your land, so you can change this topography to be with a slope or high mountain or low place. So to do that, we will use the icon terrain and use these options. So before we talk about that, we want to know about the terrain setting. Go to setting and select terrain setting. As you see, this is now the terrain material. So you can change this terrain material to be a soil like this. So that depends on your design. And this is the terrain resolution, and this is for material, size and angle. And also this is for render, detail and texture like this. But the most important thing is to change the material if you want to be good for your design. So for example, I will choose this terrain material. Look at the size is bigger. I want to reduce the size like this, for example, as you see. So guys, now we want to back to the basic terrain. It's a grass, I think this one. So the first thing that we have to learn is the contour line. The contour line, it is just to adjust the elevation of the terrain. You will see that your land in reality, you will see that it have a topography and it's not the same elevation. Something will be high and something will be low. So this contour line is to describe the exact elevation of your land. If you have the AutoCAD for your land, it will have a contour line and you can upload it automatically to this program real-time landscape, and we talk about that later when we talk about the tools and the CAD drawing import wizard, and also the terrain elevation import wizard, so we can upload the terrain elevation automatically. So before that, I will tell you how to use this contour line if you don't have AutoCAD and you want to draw the exact elevation of your land or something close to the reality. So just we click to this option contour line and go to plan mode like this. So if your land have elevation from this size or this place, we just add a line like this. You can make it sharp, you can make it curve, whatever, and also you will add the distance as you want. So I will click on the right click on the mouse to finish the line like this, and after that, here to set the elevation. So you will see how much the elevation of this line. For example, it is 0, we can add it to 2.54. So let's go to perspective mode and see. This is the contouring line and the elevation. I will increase the elevation to see better. It is 4 meter, for example. This is the elevation. And now when we need to make a slope for this, we need to add more contours line like this, maybe. And I will show you the final, like this. And also I will make a contour line in this place, for example, and it will be like this, for example, and here else with 4 meter. So let's see what happened. Look at the land. We have a topography of our land with the contouring line like this. This line will not appear in the work through mode or rendering. It's just to adjust the elevation of land. As you see, it's very good and nice. So now here we have an option for this contour line. This is if you want to add a label for a plan mode. Like this, we have a label. So before, here we have a create a terrace like this if you want, and here to change the terrace if you want, and we can remove this option. And also in this option we have a reverse terrace direction like this. Let's check to reverse direction, for example, and this for make the shape close like this. And here to edit the point, we know this option. This is for the label. We can remove the label in the plan mode. So here we see the distance is 3 meter here. The label is removed. We can return it back, press to add label to plan mode or a plan view, and this is to show the unit. It is in meter or inches, and this is if you want to create a label or you want to add a text to describe this contour line or where it's placed, for example. And this is also for a color of the type or the word that you written for the label. So let's, for example, write 1, for example. Here you will see 1, and also I will write how much the elevation, 30 meter, for example. 130 meter. This is the font is Arial. We got here a lots of font, and the style italic or bold if you want. And this is how much the height of this label, and this is the offset the place that you want to add the label. And this is for color, if you want to change the color, like this for example. So that was for contour line. So see you in the next video to talk about the other option that make us to make a topography in the land without drawing the contour line. So keep watching and see you in the next video.